In this overview, we'll show you the highlights of performing reconciliations. Your administrator sets up the reconciliation lists that contain the balances to be reconciled, as well as the account ID, name, status detailed, end date, and description. You will receive email reminders for due dates and for reconciliations that require action. Reconciliations can be performed at whatever level makes sense for the business. For example, you could perform some reconciliations by business unit or company code, while performing other reconciliations at the department level. The administrator creates mapping rules to assign the account balances to the reconciliations, and when the balances are imported, ensure that they appear in the correct reconciliation based on these rules. The administrator can assign a standard format for the reconciliation from a library or build a new customized format. Preparers enter reconciling items, balance explanations, attachments, and comments to support the justification of the balance, such as a balance-to-balance comparison or an account analysis. To control what is allowed within a reconciliation, administrators configure rules to enforce compliance with policies. These rules ensure that reconciliations are accurately prepared before being presented for approval. Reviewers are responsible for the approval process. Reconciliations may have multiple reviewers who perform approvals monthly, quarterly, or dynamically when risk conditions have been detected within the account. Risk conditions are defined based on reconciliation balances or content in the current period or prior period or statistical trends across a range of prior periods. Administrators can use configurable auto-reconciliation rules to enable less frequent reconciliation for low-risk accounts. A standard set of rules is available for common cases, such as authorized zero-balance accounts, or when the reconciliation requires matching a general ledger balance to a sub-ledger balance within a tolerance. Additionally, administrators can build customized auto-reconciliation rules using their organization's policies to achieve specific company objectives. Use the Overview dashboard to track the count of open and late reconciliations. You can also view complete and incomplete metrics by risk rating, account type, organizational unit, format, or reconciliation process. The Compliance dashboard shows how well your company achieved its compliance objectives. You can see reconciliations that were completed on time, late, rejected, or that contain risk conditions such as debit or credit violations or aging violations. You can view user performance metrics for preparation and review functions and create performance indicators to calculate the number of reconciliations that fall within your company's quality ranking policies. The Activity dashboard displays recent activity affecting account reconciliations, including submissions, approvals, and rejections. Authorized users can view data load status and monitor the processing of user change requests. In this overview, we saw how you can perform reconciliations in Oracle Account Reconciliation Cloud Service. To learn more, visit the link shown here.